here's how we can check the last installed apps on the iPhone. Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So you essentially have to grab the iPhone and open up the App Store. And in there, just proceed to your profile, which is accessed by clicking the profile picture in the top right corner. And this shows you a couple of different things. Of course, you can browse the apps or whatever and see the list of your apps, which I guess would be a good idea as well, because you can click on the apps like this and scroll through the last install one. So you'll see like the order in which they've been downloaded. The latest ones are going to be at the top of the list. So that would work. Okay, but I think that even a better option is to manage the purchase history, where you can get inside like that and essentially set up the filtering where you can pick the date range, whether the thing you want to look for is paid or free, and also the type of the file, because it can also show you the purchases and the downloads for books, music and more, right? But once you set up the filtering, you'll be able to see the exact list of the downloads, and it's going to give you more information because you'll see whether you downloaded the thing on your iPhone or on a different device with the same Apple account, or the exact date and a time. So it's actually giving you even more information than just the previous apps section. So there are actually, as you can see, like two ways how you can check the last installed apps on the iPhone. So I would really appreciate your feedback. If you liked what you see, hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you later in the upcoming tutorials as well.